Okay, people, I'm going to show you my newest creation. Here we have a tortilla. And I'm not going to show you everything right here from my dirty cutting board there. But this is going to be like a burrito. All I'm going to do is add a little bit of black beans. Sorry for the shaking. I don't have a tripod ready for you guys here. And then I'm going to go and add some cabbage. And you see, the thing is, I have some cheap eats, but all the stuff I make tastes very good. And I don't need a restaurant. Not to say that I've never been at a restaurant. Okay, so what I've got there so far is black beans. I've got shredded cabbage. Now, I'm gonna go and add just some pre-packaged shredded cheese, but if you don't have it shredded, just, get some finely sliced cheese. I'll add a little bit more here. Okay. There's nothing spectacular here except, just, adding the cabbage. Okay. And, well, let me go put this in the microwave. I'll put it in like 40 seconds one side, turn it half a turn, and then give it like another 30 seconds. I'll pull it out, and I'll show you how I finish it off. Okay, so here we go. There's the beautiful looking tortilla with black beans, cabbage, and melted cheese. Now, you take a look here. See this package of Thai Kitchen Pad Thai? Well, I don't like this one that much. However, you can use it. But there's this other brand, Kame, where I get these instant noodle things, and a lot of times I just use half the package or something, and then I save it. And what I do is I have a container like this that I can put in the refrigerator, and it kind of halfway stands up. If you got something better, so be it. Okay. Now you see, this is kind of like a blend of what I learned from, how maybe Peking duck might be served, where I take some of this sauce. It's kind of like a sugary sauce, and just go ahead and put some of it on there. Okay, so this is what really finishes it off. And if you so want to, you can add a little bit of hot sauce. Any kind will do. Or you don't even put any on, or you can put some powdered, like chili powder or something. So that's the final thing there. I'll tell you, with that sweet sauce and the cabbage, they blend together so beautifully. And then it's just a matter of rolling it up and eating it. You don't need to see me roll it and eat it. Okay, so you can go from there, and you can always add different things if you so want to. But just I'll add a little bit more. So this is the beauty of it right there. It's the cabbage with this sauce, and all I can say is it's great eats. So you gotta try it. Okay, take care.